Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Banyak keren halor komno bana pedon kam halor kajing ruspa kani kathan jute lamingi halor kajing don kima kok hindo bat kiwe di kima kibala ban permi boarding kom kajing don doyong uranium bat kiwe kiwe ne kasni kasan tarik unayo lapalong ni kalu kumnya tai kapang hakani kanong ba shilong ya kabalate kumka energizing not east ya kani jelang kabala pelong para kamra sumdialang juga North Eastern Council lapalong dekat Indian Chamber of Commerce dekat kajing trelang dekat development of North Eastern region akabalai don langgu menteri bakmi dekat boarding juga budaya ba komunwan ombon baralong kongsan hakajelang kabau menteri jong sarkar Nagaland kubakmi dekat boarding skipili samtam baralong sembot kongsan kiwede kibalai don lang hakini kajelang kikintuk yung general manager jong oil and natural gas corporation limited USN executive director jong power grid corporation of India limited DS Yadav officer jongka economic advisory jongka North East Council ba W program secretary jongka Bureau of Energy Efficiency Pankaj Kumar ba kiwe de ke sarkar hakani jelang ata sri bha halor kajing ruspa kijela kani kathan te lamini hakajing don kima kundo ba kiwe de kima kibala ban kam sakaba pni border nilai ke bakong san kalong banchim kiani ki ba kajing israel ye kajing motor ni kima kundo nakaberta kani kathan te lamini hi ba
formulate policies and plan to reduce the gap. For this, the state has also accorded priority to renovation, modernization and upgradation of existing hydropower stations. Renovation and modernization and upgradation of Umyam Stage 1 and Stage 2 power stations were taken up and completed, and some more are in the pipeline. The Government of India, through the Ministry of Government and other ministries, has set a milestone for the economic development of the northeastern region. With a special emphasis on power as the main developmental infrastructure, at present, survey and investigation work in the Umma Basin is completed and DPR has been prepared, and the survey investigation work of the following basin are in progress, which would contribute to the capacity addition for the near future. To enhance transmission capacity, various schemes have been implemented and certain schemes are under implementation. This only shows that the state still have a long way to go in terms of self-sufficiency as far as power generation is concerned, in spite of having large scope for development of small and medium hydro power station. In Meghalaya, new and renewable energy development agency is implemented in the program, such as solar energy plant, wind solar hybrid system, bioenergy, biomass gasification and small water mill project. Under solar energy program, the government of Meghalaya, in collaboration with MNRE, is distributing the